everyone, hope you are well. I am elated to be sharing my thoughts on this platform yet again. As new technological advancements break the shackles of traditional recruitment methods, the organizations, the recruitment partners and the candidates continue to look for efficiencies. Teamwork makes the dreams work. Yes, we believe in it as we keep people at the core of our business. Together we scale new heights. On this note, I want to talk to you about September month in which we helped a lot of our clients successfully achieve their business objectives.
This role was very important for our client and we submitted many profiles, and the client was looking for a C# programmer with ASP and React experience. Searching a candidate with React and front end with C# programming is a tough challenge for us. My client is looking for Oracle Fusion middleware consultant.
We have closed a very important role for one of our clients based out in Budapest, Hungary, that is for information security. So client was very specific. They are looking for somebody having a strong experience in information security along with vulnerability management. And also they are looking for expert user who can work on SQL and MS Office. So in this pandemic situation of Corona, it was really difficult to find a good consultant with those skills.
So recently we have closed 2 positions with our leading pharmaceutical client in Milan, Italy. In one position they are looking for a therapeutic area lead with their experience of any therapeutic area, and the candidate should have experience of minimum 10 to 15 years. Successfully closed one more role there, that is for digital marketing manager, and they are looking for almost 15 to 20 years of experience in that.
It was really challenging to find the right candidate with front-end development skills in Warsaw, Poland, and client is mainly looking for a candidate who can speak fluently Polish language, and they're looking 1+ year of candidate who can join in 2 weeks.
Everything that we are doing in terms of people, processes, systems is keeping in mind customer centricity and value for human ecosystem.
In this September, we have successfully closed and placed the candidates in the midst of COVID outbreak.
In IXseed, we have closed a couple of roles in the Eastern European market like Poland, Hungary and Czech Republic.
We have successfully closed 2 positions as an AMC lead and OFM consultant in the UK.
There has been no looking back. If I talk about our clients and the candidates that we have placed, we added several new clients to our portfolio.
Eastern Europe is a next strategic growth geography for a lot of our clients, and a lot of our customers are expanding in this geography. Let's have a look and see what our happy and satisfied candidates have to say about this.
I am very pleased with the recruitment process. The recruiter was a support for me at every stage. I am very happy that I have come across such a professional recruiter. Good luck, IXseed Solutions.
I had the pleasure to meet one of the recruiter of IXseed during my hiring process, and he was extremely accurate, constantly present and very helpful during all the hiring process, following me step by step. Thanks again.
I was impressed how one of the recruiter from IXseed managed my hiring process, providing updates and useful insights constantly. His dedication to work is amazing. Those skills he has often take years to develop among hiring professionals, but it seemed to come perfectly naturally.
I collaborated with one of the recruiter during my hiring process managed by his company. He was very helpful in explaining the role, constantly updating me and supporting me during the interviews. I recommend him for his professionalism and skills.